Hey team, how are you? How's it going today? It's me, Charita Jones, checking in. Wanted to come and chat with you guys. Hope you're having a super fantastic day. Welcome to a new month. Welcome to June, guys. You killed May. You guys did so amazing, guys. I'm so proud of each and every one of you. Welcome to all of the new team members, guys. Super congrats to you. Super congrats to everybody who added somebody to the team. Great job on rocking out your sales. I'm just here to say hello. Hope you guys are having a good day. And to let you know, guys, if you have new team members, add them to the team page. And in the announcements tab on this page, you'll find all of the training that you will need to share with your team to help them be successful and set them up for success, guys. So I am so grateful, guys, that you chose this amazing team to be a part of. And if you have any questions or concerns, guys, feel free to let me know or your sponsor know. We're happy to help you every step of the way. So yay, go team, go team, go. So I'm so proud of each and every one of you guys. Have you heard of the Host Join exclusive Join Kit? It is an opportunity for you to be able to share with everyone about them joining Scentsy. If you have a $200 party, I'm going to give you an example. Say you have a $200 party, right? And inside of that $200 party, there's a $20 host credit that we earn when we have a $200 party. So if you want to be able to allow somebody to join your team, you can give them a $59 kit at a discount. You can either give it to them for $39 or either give it to them for $59. But there's a discount value there, that a kit that's valued for about $150. They get a website for free for 4 months. On the fourth month, well, it's actually for 3 months, but on the fourth month, they're charged $10 after that. But it's a good deal, guys. So if you want to know more about Host Join, comment below on this video, and I can tell you more about it and share more about it with you. Or you can go into our team page, and there's a little magnifying glass there. All you have to do is just type in Host Join, and all of the details about Host Join is available. You can also find Host Join on YouTube, details about Host Join on YouTube. And there's also details about Host Join exclusive kit also in the workstation, in the Scentsy workstation. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. You still have an opportunity to allow people to join your team, or they could pay for the full price or pay for the full kit of $99 if they choose to. So guys, if you have any questions at any time, please feel free to message me. Let me know. I'm happy to help you every step of the way. So I love you guys. You are amazing. I truly and sincerely appreciate you guys so much. And I just wanted to stop by and say hello and share with you about the Host Join Kit if you guys have any questions. So talk to you guys soon. Thank you so much for all you do. You are the best team ever. Love you all, and I'll chat with you soon. Scentsy Spirit. Bye.